ball na. Good boy, big boy, Max B. 9 balls.
Uy.
Wait. Oh, no. Don't, because we're gonna lose kind of our chips.
No.
Don't, ano.
Two sticks.
After.
Bunot na yun.
Teka lang. Hindi, bunot. Bunot. Ay, putang ina. 2 balls pa din.
Nakatulog yung kanina pa kaya.
Ako na.
Talk to your dermatologist about your psoriasis symptoms and treatment options. It is sold.com.
Thank you.
Dahil nag-work ka yan, ma. Kanina. Wow. Good thing is not fit. So,
I need ano.
oh,
Oh, shoot.
Okay, go ahead and
oh, you need 9.
Okay, we pay ni Long Vic. It's 1, 2,
Oh,
3, 4. Oh, give it to Ninong Vic.
Thank you.
Wait, chat. We pay Ninong Vic more. Here. 1, give this to Ninong Vic. Okay, close Gandalf's money. Okay, now move. There, yeah, like that. Push it.
Good job.
alam niya na paano gawin niya.
Sabi niya, hello, laging hindi si Ganda. Nakakadto ako pag nagmamadyo. A red one. Oh, okay, move back.
Wow.
Okay. Say thank you, guys. Thank you, guys. We wait, okay? We wait. We wait for them. Gusto mga that one go. Oh, hold on. Ninong is gonna give me. Hold on. I'll tell you when we can open it, but don't tell them the numbers, okay? Promise me, huh? Okay, I'll open, but don't show them. You open one by one. Don't show them, okay? Yeah, like this, okay? Don't show them, okay? Yeah, like that. Good
Wow.
job, Maxi.
Big boy na talaga
Yeah,
yan.
that's big boy,
Oh.
Maxi. Oh, don't show them. No, this one you go down. Okay, hold on, let Ganda fix it first. Hold on. Ganda will fix first. Hold on, Ganda will fix. I have 4. Somebody give me 4. Hold on, Ganda will fix. Hold on. Give me that. Give it to Ganda. Hold on. Ganda will fix. Un momento. 2 more.
Wala, no?
Oh, thank you. Hold on. Isa pa ni, please. Thank you. Yeah, like that. Thank
Wow.
you. Don't tell them, okay?
Na yun.
Don't tell them the numbers. Okay, hold on. Let me see. You flip this. Yeah, like that. Like that.
Wow.
Don't show them, okay? Say, Ganda's gonna win. Ganda's not gonna win. Say, Ganda's gonna win. Yes.
And Mac, B2.
And Max B. Yeah, like that. Don't show them. Make sure we don't show them.
Don't let your intrusive thoughts win.
I po.
Ha? See? Ganda.
No.
Ganda
Don't,
cursed me.
don't.
My sticks. Ganda cursed me. 9 balls. Doon sa lahat insect daw.
Ngayon ko lang na-realize, naka-ano pala tayo. Max B, you have to go inside
Ah,
your
oo.
mana. Oo, naka-ano nga.
Hindi mo siya makikita. Ah, hindi, pero hindi rin.
Yeah.
The boys. Oh yeah, that's true.
Yes. And my videos are not meant for this. I always pick that.
Seven balls.
Thank you, Robert.
Right, sorry.
Okay, you go back to Mama. You can't be on ano because come on, let's go. Go
Open
inside,
the door,
let's
open the
Here.
Two balls.
No, and then always say, are these meant for kids?
Two balls.
No.
Subok.
Oh, the bells, the bells, the bells. Bango ni Max B, it's like he just took a shower.
Secret.
Secret. Secret.
Sus.
Ginoo.
Five car.
Ambon.
What's in there? We have all over the house.
Oh yeah?
Outside, huh? Because you guys have a big backyard.
Four balls. It's a sign. Don't matter. 6 balls.
There's a way to cut your dishwashing time by 50%. Try
You're good,
Dawn
Jeff
Power
has
Wash
one,
dish
but it's
shampoo.
smaller, a little bit smaller.
God damn.
Brush
Too,
in half the time.
too
It
hard.
cleans so well, you can replace multiple cleaning products. Try Dawn Power Wash.
Where's my Old Spice? I come on and use Old Spice. It's my Old Spice.
Sa Laplin. Pag lumabas ka sa gabi,
Oh yeah.
Just walk around with the net.
In this tub
Necklace.
with my new
Five
cashmere and vanilla Old Spice.
That long.
I'm just worried that I'll never see you.
It's him that needs it.
Dad?
Well, you're talking to my Old Spice, not you.
7 balls.
One, 6.
Two sticks.
1 second. Just share.
Yeah, sure. It's just gonna book it. Three balls.
Two sticks.
Last chance, no?
I know.
Maybe with Pichao you need it, no?
No po, kasi he stopped me.
Ah, that's right.
He stopped me. So it's ano.
Oh my God. Sorry God. Bunot.
Escalera ako.
Oh.
3 sticks. Ay, putang ina, bubunutin ko na 4 card tsaka 3 sticks. Escalera.
Bunot lang, walang bisa.
Wala po. Ito yung ano.
Hi.
Ay.
That's high.
Last high.
He always focus my cards.
Sorry.
Always, all the time, always, all the time, always. Always, Escalera, high, bonus.
Your
That would have
ambition,
been
high?
369.
It's just 6. I mean, not 3, 3, 3, 3.
6,
Wait.
6,
Ah,
it's
high.
high. 6. That's a five. That's a
High
five.
pala ka.
I know, I was gonna bonus the whole card, no? I was gonna bonus it already. It's right there.
That's hard.
Flores.
Right? It's not hard.
No, it's chewy.
8 loses.
I'm not in the mood. I have a lot in my purse. Sino man nanulyo?
Yeah. Awi.
Sawi. Saan ka kumahulog? Here, no? Hi, Max B.
Where did you get that last day?
And the TV?
Oh, that's right.
Close it. And then it close. Open and close. Open and close. Ha? Yeah. No, close it and then open it. Close door, Maxby. Close it. Thank you.
Yes, basta wala na.
Wait lang, 4, 8, 12, 15. Isa pa. No miss.
No more charge.
Normally.
8, the sticks.
Five, six.
Ganyan. Joker kanina nung nalito ako.
5, 6, Jeffrey. Baka ikaw may kailangan.
Kailangan.
Yan, shawin mo na.
Save the Joker.
Save the Joker. Oo nga, 5, 6, 7,
2 sticks.
Struggling to find a shop that can handle sub-1,000 tolerances? Look no further
Tweety
than
bird.
Xometry. Whether it's mil-spec finishes or hard-to-find machining, our experts ensure every requirement is met. Get an instant quote at Xometry.com.
One car.
Eight balls.
Ano yung labang ko na tong hate? Isang
Ganyan.
laban ng amoy,
na.
amoy gas pa rin.
Oh,
Pagbago kasi amoy gas eh. Hindi pa
parang kami pabrika, no?
Oo. Nilabang ko na to.
1 car. Sino tapo 1 car?
Louis.
1, 2, 3.
Pong.
That's funny.
2 sticks.
3 sticks.
Again? Hindi mabubunot din eh. Lou, it's you that's gonna bunot na 3. Unless you need it. 3.
Ako po?
Tatlo.
3 car.
Ah, sira na oh.
Akin, nabagtang na 7 pesos.
Ako wala, sira. Hindi ko nakakinuha yung case mo eh. Ayaw ko na. Dapat nakabunot ako 6 balls. Naging 3 pa. Naging 3 pa yung 6 balls. Kaya sabi ko, sige, pwede na. Bin, Yulo.
Bill charge.
Sige po kayo. Thank you po.
We'll just anong tawag dito? Para dito makaano. Before the plate, dito na kinaulo. There you go.
Na-floor.
Nobody cares anymore. We'll give you all your money.
Sorry.
No, it's okay. Nobody cares anymore. 4, 8, 12, 15.
Ay, sige po kayo.
Now only the beer on 50 cents as well. You charge.
Yeah.
Charge it 50
Oh,
cents.
and then, Zel mo din daw Kuya Jack mo ng yung hati sa beer kahapon, baka manalo na siya. So, mag-Zel ka na ngayon.
No. One. 50 cents.
56.
We charge you for me getting some beer. Basically.
Oo nga. Hindi mo nga.
And you-
15. Isa pa.
Tinatanong ko sila dyan. Kung kanina bibili siya pagkain, bibigyan ko siya. Hindi makapag-isip. May stress asa, madami siyang gagawin. Madami siyang gagawin sa school.
4, 8, 12, 16. No mas, guys. Tapos na, nalugi mo. Tweet, tweet. Tweet, tweet.
8 sticks. Bird.
Birdie.
Think 8-6 lang, Joker, na natama ako.
Can't have too much of a good thing.
Hindi, birdie ang joker ngayon.
Has continued to
Tapos
grow
lang,
for
8
100 years. So military community, and their
Two sticks.
exceptional insurance and bank
Yung Jeffrey, baka ikaw may kailangan.
taking care of our own.
Más movimientos, aún más producción. Huggies Little Movers con double breast strip.
Puto, lagi ko nakikita.
He shows you.
Yeah, he shows it. He shows it. No, I don't have it. I always see it. Pang ko na yan, kahit buo na yan. Huwag natin patirahin ng bata dyan. Yan yung bulokting yan. Dahil naninira ng baraha yan.
Wow.
5 balls. I swear, buo yan. Hindi na.
Mhm.
7 balls.
5, 6, 7.
Kamo ilo also, ha?
Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, sa ibabaw.
Tapos gami yung loob.
Pang mo na yan. Pang ko na yan.
This from Mexico,
Patirahin yan.
Sinasalog din.
Oh, 2 balls. Nawa. Oh, yeah. I do. That's why I have some in my purse too. I have some in my
Or
purse
sticks.
and at home, Ziploc.
Mm.
Yeah.
Go to Mexico next week.
Wait, but can you buy those candies only in Mexico or here too? Or it's different? It's really made in Mexico,
No, you can buy them.
right? But there's no difference, right? It's not like, oh, the one
Yung-
from Mexico is like super legit, right?
Yung ano, yung tamarindo
8 balls.
sa chewy one, you can buy it from here because Cynthia gave me a lot.
Oh, really?
Before.
Oh, Jeffrey, 7 balls.
$7 low.
Oh, yeah, quick nga pala joke. Mataka. I just saw that. Kaya chance na mo dito, 2 sticks, no?
Yes.
Pansinin, hindi nakalasa. Hindi na pagsabagan ng loko.
Hindi niya ba alam? Malalaman niya na ngayon.
Hindi ako bago ng loko, oh.
3 balls.
Oh, Jeffrey, 7 balls.
Pong lang, lupong.
Oh, only. I bunot.
Dude,
The
this
other
is
one.
way before the bill.
Ah, bonus.
Ah,
Just sabi like that. Ah, bato puro to. Nilit ko.
did you have Joker?
Yes, I did before the bill.
What was your puro, Ludo?
May
Just get on the line.
Oh, thank you, Charles.
Oh, yeah.
Ako tumola.
Oh, bayad na. Bayarin nyo na. This mine, no?
Yeah.
Ay, yung dalawa kasi kahapon, nasa labas, parang mga ano eh, joyride. Sa Pilipinas, nakatambang. Nakatayo na sila doon.
Nagkikismisan yan.
Ah.
Sila.
Yeah. Okay, I was like, what are you guys doing there? You waiting for somebody? No, we're just talking.
Me, I'm ano?
Oh, pagdating ko na, doon, sabi ko, Diyan na, pwede makipark yan. Sabi, of course. Ba't walang parking kahapon?
Ikaw na ulit, Pinoy.
Wala.
No, na.
Yulu.
Louis.
So what?
Okay, Mark.
Oh, birthday ni tatay bukas.
Okay, kita kayo bukas.
Max, may
Ay, di ba
kisaya.
ba nainom? Birthday ni tatay bukas. Tsaka ni
Where's Ganda? Here.
Where? Pagino.
Oh, pero hindi natin alam kung naiintindihan niya pa tayo. Pero hindi niya naiintindihan, no? Yung ingay lang na
Wow.
Last time I never had to pay it. Hindi ko alam, basta yun sa akin.
Max, may camera.
Nagkakaintindihan na daw
Ano
siya.
sabi, kami mo ba nagtatanong ka sa mama? Ba't sinabi mo ano? Yung party ito bukas, okay? Yung kami okay?
There's a birthday.
Play with Noah.
There's a birthday here tomorrow.
Okay, tatay's birthday, okay? Yung kami here, okay?
Yes, you
okay?
take ate.
There's cake. Max,
Tell
there's
ate,
cake.
okay?
You're gonna blow the candle.
Okay?
Tell ate AB and ate Dessa, okay? Okay. Okay.
Sabi ko, tabi-tabi kay kuya. Kami na kami na. Kuya.
Ha? Bakit ah? Hindi, di ko.
Asok na ba yun lahat?
Pumuntahan lang kayo dito.
Sarili
Ano
lang.
ba? Ba't nagkakahepa ka? Kakahepa ka sa atin.
Para daw ano, makita sa...
Para maganda sa
Video.
video.
Ay, may video ba kayo? Ay, ba yun? Ba't may kanak dito? Ano ba yan?
Ayan ang hinahanap na.
Ba't may kanak?
Say hi. Say, Asmi, say hi.
Uy. Nagtok na yan.
Say hi.
Wala na kami kuya ha.
Say hi.
Ano bata pa tayo? Huwag muna tayo.
Umuuna ka na talaga. Dami mo pa ako.
Uy, wait lang. Sayang na anak ko.
Wala ka dyan.
Ay, kung pwede namigay ng sa Pilipinas.
Hindi, dyan sa ano.
Isa tayo namin for the Philippine thing. The Filipino mas
Hindi ako umatin si Elijah. Pinira ko. Nagpe-pretend lang si Elijah ang pumunta. Kaya nakakuha.
Okay, mamagawa mo. Hindi naman lulog-lulog lang.
Ingat, Parikoy. Saan ka wala ka bukas?
Si 11 may pasok mo.
pero balik ako dito sa tabi.
Oo, doon baka dumating si Dembol.
May pang muna kasi sa loob.
Sige.
Oh, yeah.
Oo, day bukas. Tawag sila.
Chris! Rain niya ako bukas. Naikang.
Baka ma-miss mo.
Kaya sabi ko, sabi ko naman sa kanila, nagpapay ko. May ko? Siguro, ano yan. Tuwan ko ko.
Hindi siya nga
Pero si CJ
Ang tao si City.
pupunta dito. Kasama ni PJ. Kasama ni PJ yung ano.
Jenteng ba?
Oo, alam ko ba sila eh. Matanda na, no? Pwede ba? Papa? Paano na kami sa inyo, ah? Okay, kabul.
Baka.
Mawala ka na. Ito lang na yung ride mo. Ang yabang pa magsabi, mawala na kami sa inyo, puta, doon yung ride. Nagkakayos mo.
Ako, ready na siya eh.
Napapaalam na ako eh.
Okay. Ang hotel? Ano yung extra tent? May tagsamahan.
Hindi, may ano yan.
Ano kayo?
May isa pa yan, may isa pa
Cold
yan.
drink eh. Di ba may colding ano?
Oo nga to, meron din to. No?
Gusto nyo? Para ano,
Hindi ko alam.
ilabas mo na lang.
Tanong mo sa mga
Sir.
lalaki.
Para
Sa mga lalaki mo, tanong hindi ko alam.
Tanong mo muna. Hindi ko kumawait. May kuya si Mamuro. Bilis ha, dalawa. Yes?
Para mahaba.
Yan.
Lalipat mo nga rin yung iniwan namin dun eh.
Sila lang kasi makakasagot eh.
Oo.
Kaya nga, ano ko na lang kali.
You don't know what's that means.
Baka pag bago pumasok,
You're
dali
gonna
ko na
watch
lang.
my ample.
Madali ko
Does it
naman.
keep her hair sleek?
Oo, drop off lang dito, tapos sila naman naman.
Ano naisip ko? Last time na yung malakas ang hangin, ang iwaling sa haba, nilipad yung bahay. Ginawa ko, inakyat mo pa rin.
Parang na ngayon, payong lang.
Earlier yan.
I'll get your money back, buddy.
Ay, hindi ba from earlier ba?
Nakakain na lang, di ba? Okay, wala. Walang specific. He just
Okay.
had. That was from earlier.
So, ano yan?
Kaka-todos ko lang. Bunot. Ito kasi carry over siya.
Oh, okay.
How many? Nagtay sa bako?
Hindi pa. May lagay doon.
Okay, pero kaya. Jeffrey, yung chips mo ba? Nung kanina pa yun? Nung ngayon yun? Habang ba yun?
Yeah, that's
Joke
what I'm
lang pala.
saying. Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Tayo na yun.
Tatlo.
Di
Tatlo.
ba, bubungunot ako yung
Tatlo.
total.
Tatlo.
Oh shit, where'd you drop it? It's not in the, no. Not in the pocket.
Yung Tom Brady blade, buddy. Kasi yung Tom Brady na jump.
Ano yun? Mga insects.
Oh,
Dami.
Tsaka yung bonut na, diba, Ito sabihin ko, huwag mo siya nabutan yung kay Debbie.
Kaya,
Okay, huwag
Isa pa ba kayo, Nay?
January pa birthday.
Ah, hindi kayo pala manos.
Hindi na natutuloy yung Debbie birthday.
si George sa akin.
Ano, next year na lang?
Si tatay lang ang babatiin. Oh, nga pala. No.
Kasi nakalimutan ko birthday niya.
Gago. Nakalimutan.
Nakalimutan lang lahat.
na din.
Alam mo kung
Yeah.
paano.
Siya lang nag-remind sa akin.
Sabi siya na yung
birthday nga pala sila ni
pa.
ano. And not that I,
Birthday
hindi ko
sila,
naman
yeah.
minimin, pero nakalimutan ko lang din.
Regalo mo kay David, gusto niya talaga.
Yep.
Yung chocolate, yung ano.
Hindi,
yung coffee,
no.
coffee.
Ulaan ka.
Yung isang beses ko sumagot eh. Hindi, si tatay sir, gusto yung coffee.
Sino ito?
Bigyan mo kaya cards? Good. Good card. Dadaanan ko ba siya rin sa inyo yung cooler para lalagyan ko na yellow?
Yeah.
O dahil pagka bumili ako yellow, wala rin akong paglalagyan ng cooler.
Yeah.
Para pagka cost ko.
So, mas okay.
Sabi ni
No more.
bumili ng yellow dito sa amin.
Large?
No mas, everybody?
May papay.
Ah, yung yellow hand.
Yung sa
Yeah.
bilihan ng tubig.
The water? The water?
Hey, you just like man, wala rin. Don't get water here anymore.
8 balls.
Isa ka ba nabili?
Bateria.
Where's that?
Where's that?
In Venom. And they got a credit over there.
Oh, really?
Yeah, because you prepaid $35.
You haven't used it?
I use it. I still have more fucking credit. No, dyan talaga maganda yung ay, tubig. No, you can just get water.
Ah, nabi mo, oh, I went on vacation.
Huh?
It's not store credit?
No, you know, I mean like when you
Store
pay
credit?
$35, right? And then they give you like I think 30 gallons of water. So you know, you take it out every time you get 5 gallons and you take it out. Ba't nag-iba ka na? Hindi si David kasi nang nabili. Wala ko na. Punta ka sa candy cup sir. They don't clean it. Ayaw niya kasi hindi daw binilinis ko sa oh, nililinis ba doon? Sa Manuel?
8 states.
Yung tayong galon.
Doon ko nakakabili itong dalawang to kahit malayo.
No, but you can use you can clean the galon there dahil sa blow nung ano. Hindi pwede palinis yung ano there. I think pwede
gagawin pa mga ganun. May doon sa ano sa wateria, sinasabon nila yung labas,
Sila na.
binablow nila yung loob, binablas nila yung loob.
Yeah.
Sinisildo nila. Oo. Para sa Pilipinas. Ito, mapahigiling itong mag-ina. Parang mahugasan yung bulis. Suka. Maganda to, ang dala ka nang napapatay.
Mabisa, effective.
Who brought that, Lou? You guys brought it from your house?
How are you gonna get bit?
No? Have you guys got bit?
Not.
No. Nadadry lang siya.
Tito Julius is, because of the ants from earlier. It has nothing to do with that.
I was the guy.
You're crying
I
because
was in the panic mode. Dude, when I see that, they're all red ants. And they're
Or
like, you know,
Fat one.
Yeah.
Laki oh. I know. Masakit yun eh. It hurts.
it's really gonna bite you.
And those are the ones that when they bit you, when they bite you, like even if you remove it, kind of like stings still.
Good, kind of good.
Two balls.
Are you telling him what to do?
I know.
I thought you said for him to win your money.
8 sticks. Oh shit, oo nga.
I thought you said
Ayun,
for
nakausok
him
eh.
to win your money, Lou.
Amoy na, amoy
Mhm.
na.
Damn.
That's your punishment for buying all the blood.
For what, Lou?
Sunog na.
What do you care?
Yeah. You can see this. No, relax. Got this. Get me a beer there. Yeah.
Lou, I thought you said you were gonna drink.
Yeah, I know. Oh, come on.
Tomorrow.
Oh, you pretended, ha?
Tomorrow he's gonna drink tomorrow. When Jesse mixes here,
Yeah.
The red, the red.
the red. I'm good, thank you.
No, I'm good. Ayaw na, ayaw na. Wala nang bad light eh.
Ah, look. Ah, wala na yun.
If there's more bad light, get
Yeah,
the
get
blue one.
Dito, dito.
Yeah. Sabi mo.
Oo, yung parang nakakabal bukas. Nako.
Tweet, tweet.
Fine boy.
Anong oras na ba kayo sa tapos kagabi? Hindi umalis kami, alas 2 eh.
Something eh. Napakabulaan mo pa sir. Sabi ko, anong oras ba yan? Tapos ko, hindi sir, pag-uwi mo, umuwi na rin kami. Yeah,
Tweet, tweet. Hindi
Oh no, I think that one. Oh, last two.
This is the last.
I'll take this one. Give that to Kuya Jeff. Thank you, Luis.
Where's yours? There's no more butter.
I thought you're gonna drink.
No.
What
What did you get? What did you get?
What'd you get? What'd you get?
You have to.
Huh?
You have to.
You have to?
You have to. No, yung ano, hey, that's what Lou was saying.
Eight balls.
Oh.
Kita na itaas mo ha?
Kaya dyan ako lang.
Bunot yun?
What do you need, Lai? 4.
Ito.
Hear me, buddy. I thought I still have to pay.
You thought he was suspect?
Yeah,
You just put it.
Ang tinago ko
Because I left when he bunot. So,
You should see the look on your face.
I don't want to listen.
Like suspect?
Samantala mo gumawa siya dito sa akin, hindi naman gumawa.
What was it?
Yeah, besides the toast
I only
pack.
won because of him.
Oh, the suspect, yeah.
First time nga yan sir. The icebreaker, no?
Okay, give me a beer. Give me a beer.
You did say you were gonna drink.
Oh, maybe that's why you
Ano?
didn't. Maybe that's why you didn't win, Lou, because you know you played big.
Drink one loose so you go to sleep. Good. Dami pa yung tulugan sa garahe.
Sabi ni Amiga.
Ano pa?
Challenge. One more, 4, 8, 12, 15. One more.
Nakawala kita dyan.
Second one.
Hindi deny pa dapat ko yung ano ko eh. Warranty. Dahil tinanggal ko yung relay eh. Tapos nilaban ng service advisor ko na in-explain niya, sabi bakit hindi tatanggal yung relay? Nagdadrive busina ng busina.
Nice.
Sabi tatanggalin talaga yung relay.
May sariling ano.
Alam mo naman yan, dahil sa
Sariling mundo yun.
ang vehicle kasi sa insurance din lang naman kinukuha, di ba?
This time for a super.
3 cars.
Not when you know that.
So, pero hindi nagana sir pa rin ang busina. The rest, nagana na wala na yung airbag. Ibig sabihin, it's either may fuse ako or
Pero kung hindi gumana yung busina, wag lang preno.
it's either yung fuse niya ng problema. O kaya yung mismong connection ng busina. Kay Francisco ko dapat nadalhin. Tapos nag-research ako. May open Rico lang ano. Yung ganong issue ng sasakyan. Dahil nung chinek ko binumber, hindi covered. Tinawagan ko. Sabi niya, oh, most likely,
HD.
yan yan. Kaya, nung wala akong binayaran sir, binigyan ko $50 tip. Para pag tumawag ka sa kanya, nagpa-service ka, priority ka niya.
Wait, wait.
Hindi tsaka mabait eh siya. Si Chris Torres.
Ooh. You don't like that card, baby. 7 cards.
Three balls.
Three the balls.
So we can do this.
Ba't sa Toyota sir, pag nagpapaano, bigyan ako $20 gift card ng Starbucks. Pagtawid mo kasi Starbucks na eh. Hanggang aga ko lagi sir sa ano. 2 oras na lang. Tapos magagad service ko.
What was the service for? Oil change or something?
No, the airbag light is
Oh.
on, and then when you turn it
Airbag?
to left. No, but that's the car, that's the Elantra, not the RAV4.
Oo. Airbag light is on. Dahil, pero wala nakapatong dun sa amin.
Wala. Tapos pag kumakalawa sir, nabusina siyang kusa.
Merong
Yung clock spring.
Tribuno inside.
So ngayon,
Useless.
ginugol ko, may open recall sa,
Sa
sa model na yon ng clock spring.
Useless to the max.
So kaya hindi ko na tinawagan si Francisco, tinawagan ko ang dealer.
Three sticks.
Pero nung sinerch ko yung P-number, hindi raw eligible sa recall. Eh buti nga tinawagan ko Hyundai, sabi ng service advisor ko, hindi most likely yan lang. Ang nadali mo rin.
8 balls.
And we'll take it from there.
Feel like your tooth sensitivity isn't severe enough to deal with? What if I told you Sensodyne has a fast and simple remedy? New Sensodyne Clinical Repair starts to repair sensitive areas of teeth after 60 seconds. I'm so excited to introduce this new product to patients. New Sensodyne Clinical Repair is absolutely amazing.
Two.
Two jokers. 3
5 balls. I don't like two jokers, look.
I know.
I cannot even face my card earlier.
Oh shit, ilan to?
Wow.
Wait lang, tell this ko na kahit
Oh.
umikot right here.
Nothing. You don't need that. I can do Escalera and I was looking for the Escalera.
The what?
Wanna play now? Yes, sir. The 6 balls in your...
Oh, it's right here. But see, this is 7 pairs. 1,
4,
2, 3,
7.
4, 5. But I'll just hold the silver. Regular. Yeah.
Good,
So
good
forget
job,
it.
good job.
Kasi gano'n.
Nakar.
Saka puro ko lang.
Sa akin, 3 po. Sa akin, 3. Yeah. And then I throw my 7. I throw the 7. Oh, excuse me. Are you back, sir? Are you no longer, ano?
Hindi, marami pala ang puro may joker nga pala ako. Yung 2 pares pa ako.
I know. Saan?
Charles was...
May 2 pares nga pala ako.
Thanks.
Nakalimutan ko ano yung 2 pares ko.
Right, Charles? Ito lang sa handa.
Sabi mo bukas, so that's ako. Nalimutan ko siya, may 2 pares pa nga pala ako.
Ano, rotiyan kita dyan.
Tingnan ko nga
Mas
kung,
ano, me.
kung namimili ka ng pamangkin.
But yeah,
Ba't ang alat nito?
and beer.
Hindi, pero...
It's
Baka yung
nacho
ano na,
cheese.
yung sa ilalim.
Oo, hindi, pero hindi kayo
May tuna
timpla
lang
niya.
naman.
Let me taste that.
Ang alat, sir.
Hindi, kinakain ko. Yan.
Baka inaluan na ganyan.
Nilagyan lang.
Oo, may nilagay nagtahin.
Baka.
No.
Kami
No,
na.
it's not. Hello, I was making stuff.
Ang
There was
alat,
no
sir.
tahin involved, buddy.
No more.
Sino ikaw? Sa'yo ah.
Baka nakuha kayong maraming ano.
Mhm.
The big ones too, I think. No, Mas? The whole
Oo,
world?
yung malalaki na ako.
Hindi na, sir.
Hindi maanghang?
Hindi, bakit hindi.
Hindi.
Low request. It's car.
Hey.
Oh, hold on. I'm gonna really try.
To read it.
Hey,
Siguro nakatulog lang yung nagtatak-tak.
I don't need
See, I
that.
went like that, huh? Sweet.
Hindi, mahanap siya sa tambo.
It was 8 that you wanted, Lou?
Sa bagay, ma-selan ako siya sa alat.
With 2 hands.
Hindi ko na siya pinagpapatisyo sa mate.
No, because you know what? I make a mistake here
Madaling
sometimes.
tiklaan yan pag natabangan.
Madali.
Or both.
Parang galit sa patis.
One
yun.
second.
No.
No.
Tulungan ko sa akin.
I understand, buddy, you know? You're trying to drive me crazy.
Oh, you didn't understand that. huh?
Now, Lou, you're awake. Huh?
Now
But
you're
not-
now you got jokes.
Yeah, but you're
Now
not
you
the
got
one who told us,
jokes,
Lou.
Don't worry.
Now you got jokes, huh? Kanina you didn't have jokes.
Are you talking to me? Are you telling me that, best friend?
He kept saying earlier, moaning worse than tatay.
The Jews to be here, that's why.
Moaning worse than tatay. Now he
you
got
guys messed up.
jokes.
You guys messed up.
Poor thing. He's like going like this. Where the hell is that traitor? You were over there.
Nine car.
Oh, because he has one joker.
Ah,
Oh, yeah, because he requested.
Ano joke?
8 car.
Top commercial grease easily rinses away.
I think I didn't even know. Whatever, bro. This is why. Alright, let me know.
Hindi, once. Turuki up at work. And then I only got this.
What would you talk on now? Stupid. What would you talk on now?
Papabili ako kay Cynthia. Wala na as trader.
You wouldn't have to. No? What would you talk on?
You. He'll tap on you on the
Eyeballs.
table.
Come.
He will tap on you on the table. Flores, look.
Yeah. Yeah, now you're in good shape and then somebody call it from that top one.
Oy, Flores, Flores.
This.
You shouldn't have tapped on the 5 sticks.
I'm gonna ask my trader, Lou, to buy me. Wala naman siya nung bubukas pinto. Wala naman bubukas pinto.
I cannot tell you what to do. One car.
Because you don't listen anyways.
Right or wrong? Honest. Or wrong?
Wow, to brace, Lou.
From the start, you messed up. Owning this.
See, and I was gonna bunot. You didn't let me bunot.
You're setting cars.
Birdie?
I was gonna bunot, no? You didn't let me bunot.
Masarap naman.
You
Yeah.
sure you didn't bring the black band with you? Or
You're
Thanks.
supposed to... Lou, text me.
Oh, yeah,
You always
that's
text me
right.
about the fucking chisme, but you
Tomorrow,
don't
yeah.
text me about the important stuff.
Yeah.
When you
Yeah.
get home,
Whatever
you're
you
gonna put
guys
it in your
tell me.
bag.
Moso.
Oh yeah, well, when we get home, we're gonna put it in your bag so you don't forget it.
Yung spotlight, ah.
One spot. Nasa garahe na yung ano.
You guys will have to,
But where are we gonna put it?
they'll figure it out.
Kailangan mo siya spotlight dito, di ba? May extension ka, di ba? Ginamit na natin dito dati, di ba? Tapos, sarap yan yung heater. Lagay mo doon.
Anong hindi? Putang ina.
Marami sila mag-sauna.
Grabe kayo ah. Sabi ko naman, what heater?
Ito na. 3 sticks.
Kanina yan. I had 4 too.
Oh. I had it too. But,
Oh, here you go guys.
Seven car, Lou.
Ang lilit to, nagliliyo. Huwag na lang kaya. Huwag na pinagalo-halo yung dati. Ang kapal ng kalyo ko.
Akala ko ba gagawin mo yung
Oo nga.
sinabi sa'yo ni Julio?
Hindi binigay.
Oh my God. One more.
Boss,
You're gonna be 10 pairs. I know. That's why you said this. Huh?
That's why natin he said na.
Oh, yeah, 7 pairs, fine.
But yeah,
yeah, you should have just told me.
remember what I did earlier.
No, you want...
If you didn't pong,
Yeah, kasi keep this.
One of them?
Yeah, and then either of the...
Pero puro.
you know how to do that. He pretended he forgot. He's done it before. Napapangin niya lang, di niya kakangin. But nauna